What's up, folks? Today we're doing a quick review on these alla lighting side marker bulbs. You know, pretty self-explanatory, very easy to install. These are T10s. Pretty straightforward, like I said. Just unplug the sockets, turn them, loosen them, pull the clip, pull these in, reinstall, and we'll see how it looks. I will say, not the best fitment. I should get a new gasket in there. Not the best. I'm not the biggest fan of that though. A little bit of wiggle room. I mean, it's in there. It'll take some pressure to get out. Not much, but a little bit. So fitment, not the best. I shouldn't be touching these with my bare fingers, but you know, we're car guys. We do what we want to do. So after doing this a couple of times, the best way of attack is from your head towards the front of the car, your feet towards the back of the car. That's the way you can get it all the way in there and turn. This is about 10 a.m. right as daytime. That's pretty good, I gotta say. Curious what it look like at night.